Watch carbon gas become brilliant diamonds in 4 stages. Stage 1. Raw carbon gas. From methane gas to diamond seed preparation.
Locking mechanism engaged. Initiating pressure sequence. The seal is holding.
Stage 2. Crystal growth. High-pressure reactors transform gas into solid diamonds.
Loading sequence complete. Begin pressurization.
Acknowledged. All systems green.
We're hitting max pressure. Check the injection flow.
Rates are stable, boss. 50,000 PSI achieved.
Stable growth conditions achieved. We are clear for Phase 2 optimization.
The growth rate on Diamond Seed 001 is exceeding projections by 15%.
Acknowledged. We should maintain the current parameters. The facets are stabilizing nicely on Seed 001.
Confirmed. Growth rate remains optimal.
Crystalline structure looks stable. Data aligned with Phase 3 parameters.
Confirmed. Growth cycle finalized.
Sequence parameters confirmed, sir.
Acknowledged. Beginning decompression.
Pressure stabilizing at 1,000 psi.
Confirmed. Holding steady.
The residual heat signature confirms successful cycling. We can now begin the thermal inspection phase.
Stage 3. Diamond cutting. Precision crafting reveals the brilliant cut. Stage 4. Finished gems. Certified diamonds ready for luxury settings.
Final certification, D flawless, 2.5 carats.
Excellent work, Master Gemologist.
We can finalize the report.
So this platinum mounting is specifically designed to maximize the light return on the center stone.
And here are the platinum mounts. I suggest the basket setting for optimal light.
It is exquisite. We will take this one. The tension is calibrated.
Excellent work. It passes final inspection.
This piece represents the pinnacle of our Novatek process. Ready for the showroom floor. The angle is optimized for maximum dispersion.
Truly exceptional color grading, Director. The fire display is flawless.
The final valuation is confirmed at $45,000.
The market comparables support this entirely. The clarity premium is justified.
Carbon gas to brilliant diamonds in 480 seconds of Buduro complete.